Right, this is the place near our house. Loads of dirt jumps and all. Says off-road, off limits, but technically it's not a bike, and I don't really give. It's not petrol, it's electric. Popo aren't gonna catch me. Right, we're gonna get the RC truck up here and quickly clear it without breaking it. So we've got the RC in place. We've got Ollie in case it falls off the edge. Hopefully it doesn't. You better catch this, Ollie. So, let's go. That was practice run. Right, we're going to attempt to jump in the RC. Let's do this. I'm going to get out of the way. Go over there, Ollie. I don't want it falling off. Let's go. Attempt 3. Let's drive it. Keep filming, okay? Attempt 4.
What the hell is Daisy doing down there?
Okay, let's try another ramp. Well, same ramp, but backwards. Attempt 1, let's go. I don't even know where that went.
Run, her.
Alright. Now, I think we're just gonna run down it. So let's go.
Oh my god! Uh-oh, look out.
Don't do that. You literally hit the steering rack. No! I thought you were going to jump it really hard. I didn't go down there. Go up this one. Oh. Two-wheeler? I think you hit the steering rack.
What do you think of Ollie's driving, huh?
Crap, he just crashed, look! What? This
What do you reckon, Al?
is track instead of RC.
Okay.
Right, gonna go up this ramp again. Try and catch it.
Bit wheel spin.
Okay, I'm thinking we're gonna try and hit this ramp here and go down it, but hit on this side because I don't want it falling down that pit. I'm not going to do it from a long distance, so I'm bad at driving, but I don't know where it went.
Oh,
That's it. Okay, I think we're going to try and hit this ramp now. Just wait a minute. Let's try it. Okay, I'm going to go up where you are. We've got the RC up it. There's a really nice ramp here. I don't know if it'll work. It's quite flat, I think. Nice. No, not nice. Yeah, nice.
what, you want us to stand here so we catch it? No. Ah. because like Ollie's crap.
Shut up.
Let's go.
Oh!
What a jump!
I can't believe it. Like,
Wow!
yeah.
It looked like a shark.
That's pretty cool.
Skills hair.
I think we might try and drop in on it up there where you guys are. Right, we're going to try and drop in the ramp what just went up. I'm a bit scared, I don't want to break my RC. But if it breaks, a lot more saving up to do. So, well, let's just do it.
Do it, fam.
What?
Do it, fam.
3, 2, 1. Oh. I didn't break it, it's good.
Ah!
But
Ollie, why are you so tired? What was he?
no.
Oh!
Ollie's having a go. He's going to try and get the same jump. So that's what we're trying.
Oh! She's on her back, boy. Harry's. What do you think, Daze?
What do you like?
Mean big brother. Oh no. Oh, what the hell?
Battery just went flat, probably because Ollie flipped it. I'm still driving it, trying to. I don't know where it's gone. Seems that I have it. This one down here. No, it doesn't even drive.
Sorry, Harry.
Nice one.
My fault.
Oh, see, we ran out of so much battery, it doesn't even go up the hill. Didn't even get it. So, ran out of battery. Ollie beated it.
Beat it.
Beated. Nah. It's got. Nice one.
Mummy saying bird poo.
Well done. Oh yeah. By the way, instead of talking about bird poo, Ollie scratched it everywhere. The steering. That's actually pretty bad. I didn't see that. All scraped and everything. But still got a little bit of battery. Might as well go down another hill. So let's do it. Now, so, I've got to go get it. Had a good time with the RC. If you're a subscriber, comment below what jump we should do next around here. And always like and subscribe. And it's got no battery.